Sex is normally astounding. The man of your dreams is ready to do anything for you and be there for you always. But you have to find ways to make your vagina tight for him. We all know the road to a healthy sex life is not always easy. Women that suffer from vaginal looseness and lack of sensation during sex often struggle with low self-esteem. However, pregnancy and childbirth are the primary causes for a loose vagina. Below are tips on how to make your vagina tighter. Let's begin. In order to achieve a tighter and firmer pussy, try pomegranate peels to tighten the vaginal. This mix depends on the pomegranate peels that have proven its effectiveness in solving this problem for many years. How to do it? Drain some pomegranate peels, then grind well and put them in a pan of water, over medium heat. Leave for 15 minutes to boil. You will notice change the color of the water to become dark brown. Put the pot away from the heat and leave to cool completely. Then, put on a clean sealed bottle. And use this mixture as a vaginal douche. As recommended for use only in sexual intercourse, spray this mixture on the vagina before sex by quarter of an hour. Keep the mixture in the refrigerator and use 3 times a week, at least. And you will notice results quickly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new